here, folks. Wacky weatherman. Happy Tuesday to y'all. Whoa, okay. So today is March 9th, 2021. And yeah, I know it's been a couple of days since y'all have seen me or heard from me, but nothing been going on, y'all. It's just been cool and collectible. But it is about 70 degrees. And first off, why don't y'all click that subscribe button up there, like, share, and comment on this video so you don't miss any stuff, and tell your people about it so we can get more weather freaks out here. Like I said, today is March 9th, 2021. Got the March wind, and supposed to have some rain all the way up through the end of this week, all the way up to the next week, so possibly 2 to 3 inches. And that is one thing, storms that we'll have to be watching out for. So we are about, oh Lord, about 2 weeks away from spring. So, let's go down and take a look. I'm using my monopod and my tripod mount. So I'm using the whole kit and caboodle today. Okay, so I'm using everything. So why? I don't know. I just decided to use it. So I got my cradle, and I got the tripod mount. I got that, and then I've got the monopod that the whole assembly of the tripod mounts to. So, shall we? Of course. Let us, shall we? Okay. All right, folks. Let us see here. It is a little partly cloudy out today. Nothing else. Y'all can see what it looks like out the weather window right now. And it all looks groovy. Okay. So there's Mr. Storage Building. So, there's that. So, there it is. There's some blue sky for you. And like I said, there's the wacky weather window. And, so, it really is cool. Alright. I'm just fixing up some things. Okay. This is a really neat tripod mount. Whoa! What you guys got to see, the wind's probably about 30 miles an hour right now. It's really whipping it up. It's really whipping up crap, man. It's just showing it, man. So wacky weatherman here. It is very windy out today, folks, so keep an eye out on that. So, like I said, by Thursday and Friday, it's supposed to have some storms, but we got to go back. So that'll be some storm activity for y'all. So that'll be storms for y'all to check out. Storms for y'all to check out. It's blowing up. So it is blowing up. Hey folks, you're open at your wacky weatherman. Okay, so like I said, you guys are doing well. Let me bring this thing down. Bring this thing down. Check that out. I can adjust it, boy. That way I don't have to be trying to hold it. You know what I mean? So I don't have to hold it. And I can also do this. I can raise it up too. So I can raise it and lower it. Ooh, fancy, huh? Or I could even turn it around this way or that way. Okay, or I can do that. You know, or like I said, you just turn this whole thing around. Look at that. So that's cool. So, wacky weatherman here is all upset for it, is all ready for it. You can keep an eye out to the sky up here, or we can just bring it back down the level to where we are right there. That's cool. Or we can tilt it, or I can even tilt it forward this way. Or if I want to get crazy, tilt it this way. It's just got so much things, and especially with the mount itself, I can. So just a groovy little deal here. But there's nothing really going on right now. I just wanted to come in here and give y'all a little update of what is happening, and with your winter, what to expect. Listen to that wind, folks. Listen to that wind, bub. Check that out. Check that out. See, check that out, boy. Right? Check it out. But anyway, just having fun with y'all. But anyway, that's just so freaking awesome. Anyway, I'm just gonna go ahead and get out of here, I guess, folks. But there's nothing to see. It's really too windy right now to be doing anything. But hey, I appreciate y'all hanging out here with me one little time. I did share with y'all. Like I said, it's just about the same thing today, and nothing happening. So just coming in here, letting y'all just say, hey man, what's going on? March 9th, 2021. Wacky weatherman here. Your old buddy Gerald. Supposed to be watching some wind. It's supposed to be really, really strong tomorrow. Listen to that, man. So, but we're back up here now. So, it's actually a little windy, but hey, we'll take it. We'd rather deal with the wind instead of the snow and all that stupid ice and all that coldness. But it's about 70 degrees outside. But anyway, folks, Wacky weatherman here. That gust kind of makes it feel like it's more cooler than that, if you know what I mean. So, hey man, but that's it. You guys be groovy enough. Stay groovy. Keep it groovy. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Probably be tomorrow, and nothing really to show. Just the wacky weather. So, nothing really here as far as storms, anything goes. But maybe Friday and around Thursday night into Friday we may get something. So it'll be an interesting weekend. And yeah, we're gonna take y'all with us. So, but yeah, man, that's it. So you guys be groovy. Wacky weatherman here. Your old buddy Gerald. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Go ahead and like, share, subscribe, and comment. And sky weather, yes, where I keep an eye to the sky for you to entertain you. Where I keep an eye to the sky to entertain you people. And my hairdo. Go ahead and click that bell up there for notifications so you don't miss any of my videos. So that's it, y'all. I'll see y'all in the next one. You guys be groovy. And have a groovy day. Wacky weatherman here, your old buddy Gerald. I'll see you guys next time. Y'all stay groovy. Once again, March 9th, 2021.